best friend maybe.
No. Good friend.
Just good
Oh,
friend.
just a good friend. Yeah. I hope you are to be best friend. You have go to
Beach.
Kuta Beach or
This is-
Pandawa
We've
Beach
been
in
there.
Bali.
Yeah.
This is good. Many tourists too over there in Kuta Beach.
Yes.
This is good, fantastic beach.
This yeah.
Like paradise.
This place is nice as well.
Yes, good. This is, you know that place? That is the symbol money of Indonesia. Money of Indonesia. This is take it for symbol of money. I will show you now the money of Indonesia. This is symbol of that place. This is money of Indonesia. This.
Oh yeah.
This is and this is Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you.
See ya.
Azmi. Yeah.
21st of October.
You know, just in Bali, nggak ke another place. You don't say to another place. Foto.
We'll go to Ipoh tomorrow.
Oh, belum foto aku. Foto lah aku dulu.
What?
Orang-orang jauh-jauh.
She planned to put, so I don't know
Oh
exactly.
yes, it's like a good friend.
So maybe
This is nice too. This is the big destination. In the Jogja.
But Jakarta is more crowded than here, I think, right?
Yeah, great. You have gone to Kuta Beach, Bali?
I think we won't go there. We will go to Nusa Dua.
Oh, no, so oh, you have been yesterday.
But for only one day. We want to stay away from the hordes of tourists.
Yeah.
Today is an exception, but
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
So when I'm looking at this, most of tourists is here. In Bali especially. From many
Yeah.
countries. Germany, Australia,
yeah, Bali is in Germany very popular in the last few years. I don't know why. Maybe it's very beautiful.
I agree with from German. From German.
Yeah, I think it's more party.
Yes, good. I think like the Happy New Year. And the New Festival maybe this is so nice. Nice to meet you, brother. See
as
you.
well, yeah?
Yeah, great. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekarang saya berada di pintu gerbang memasuki tanah laut, pantai tanah laut. Ini gerbangnya, itulah penampakannya. Oke, sampai bertemu di dalam pantai tanah laut.
Ini arah menuju ke koridor tanah laut, let's go. Tuh, kapal Webster menuju tanah laut semua. Dari depan gerbang utama tanah laut. Banyaknya kucing. Kita dulu dari sini. Ya, semakin mendekat. Koridor tanah laut. Gerbang utamanya. Itu nyanyian. Banyak kali tulis-tulisnya mantan merah. Asia, Eropa, dan Korea. Ini penampilan pertama di sisi kanan gerbang masuk. Ini lokasi dapur kandang, dapur ujian terus, bolong, rumah, itu arahnya ke sana. Ini laut di jarak dekat, tanah laut, ini tak bagus. Orang-orang Terus kami menuju ke pinggir pantai Tanah Laut. Dan sekali orang ke sana. Semuanya sampai di pinggir pantai Tanah Laut. Saya
Inilah detik sunrise di ujung bebatuan Tanah Laut. Semua pada menanti-nanti sunrise di ujung batu Tanah Laut. Ini merupakan di ketinggian sebelah kiri pura Tanah Laut. Semuanya pada menunggu sunrise. Turis datang dari berbagai macam daerah, berbagai macam mancanegara. Pemandangan sebelah kirinya juga sangat bagus dan indah. Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for that. Where you come from, sir? Where you come from? Germany? Yeah, please. I have met 3 tourists from Germany. Thank you for.
All of this place?
Yeah, for this place. My name, I'm Azmi, Indonesian. I'm Indonesian.
Okay, great.
Yeah. But here there is way there. Huh?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
to the exit.
Yeah, nah. This is maybe the high place to look nice sunrise.
Yeah, maybe.
Then the under, this is very nice here. Yeah. How long time you have been here, brother? In the Indonesia? How long time here?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Not enough, but
Not enough. Oh, Lord.
long enough. Yeah.
Long enough. Yes. When you will go back to your Germany?
On Friday.
On Friday. This Friday.
Yeah.
Okay. See you maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go there. You have go to how many places? Bali? You just in the Bali?
Just Bali. Yeah.
Just Bali. Maybe exactly there is other place than Bali.
I
Lombok
know.
too.
I know.
Oh,
But for her, it's first long flight,
yeah.
and she only wants to stay on one place.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Normally, we have a backpack
Yeah.
and go through the whole country. But this time in Indonesia, we said, okay, only Bali. nothing
Maybe
more.
in this year, just one place, Bali. Maybe next year you'll visit other place, maybe.
Yeah. maybe.
Maybe I will sit because there is nice here to take a rest.
So,
Yeah.
als es langsam Wetter ein bisschen rot. Ha? Bitte? Ich bin jetzt gerade am Überlegen. Normalerweise wollte das da irgendwie jetzt niemand drin haben. Das heißt, bist du dann von Betriebe? Die Bilder machen. Das heißt aber, wenn ich würde mit Ihnen die Bilder machen, nicht vor denen ihre Schirme. Weil sonst fliegen wir wahrscheinlich flach und alles nicht.
Ini kawan dari Jerman, saudara Jerman.
Ja.
Maybe I will save your picture on my phone. I will show to my friend in my village. This is I met.
Come from Bali?
No,
From
I am from Sumatra,
Sumatra.
Sabang. You ever here?
Sabang, yeah. I think
Sabang. Sabang have beach too like this. This is similar with Kuta Beach, Bali.
So. But Sabang,
There are
more
beach there.
more than one
It's
Sabang.
one island there. One island Sabang. Nice place for beach.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe I will know your name. My name Azmi.
Jens.
Jens. Yes. But I feel interesting to around the world exactly to Germany because yes, there's many body factory of machine. I like it interesting about that.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's cold.
Yeah. Really. You don't bring your son?
No,
No.
he's at home.
Yeah.
You have to work.
Yes, work. Yes. How long time you have gone to Indonesia? How much time you go to Indonesia? Just this?
It's the second time.
Or second time? Before this? When you? Where you visit? Native Indonesian. Excuse me, ma'am. What's your name? Masina. Me Azmi. Yeah, Azmi. I'm native Indonesian, but me beside the Sabang, Aceh.
Sabang is
Never.
Sumatra.
Yeah, Sumatra. I agree. Sumatra, great. Yes, you know that. This is nice place too. There is much beach. Many tourists too over there. Never. Oh, no problem. But you understand my speaking? A little. I like to visit Germany in one time in the future. I want to go to Germany. Yeah. I like. Yeah. I look in the Google, in the newspaper, about the German. Because Habibi, Indonesian president, is in German, right? Is in the factory of airplanes. He worked there in Germany. The third president of Indonesia. Yeah. This is the big one of Indonesian people stay in Germany. Yeah. I feel nice your holiday. You feel nice? Enjoy?
Yes, nice.
Nice, that's good. Many people. I have met until 5 Germany people just know here.
5?
Germany people.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Where you stay at night? Where you sleep? Temeniak. This is for the looking in the height. That's good. Yeah, I know that. That name is drone, brother. Drone, right? Yen. In German, yen.
Yep.
Yeah. Great, great. Yen. I will memorize. Yen. For looking the sunrise in the near, in the height, in on the sea, on the sky. This is Miss from Germany, and there is his brother from the Germany. This is kind person, good person, very carefully, carefully. Yeah. To up the drone. Yeah. From Mr. Germany. Not so clear.
Excuse me?
Not clear if use that.
This is to save the camera.
Yeah, great. This is good camera. Good. Good camera. You can look it in that phone. Nice. Nice scenery.
It's not very high now.
Yeah. This is a little dark, not so shine, huh? Because the
Yeah,
sun
it's
is
just
the shine from the sun. Maybe you can take off the left side of drone.
So there is no flash.
Hmm. This is for us.
So I take it home.
It's John. think you are master of drone. You can
No, no.
you can control it goodly. You can control good.
Was the first time in Indonesia.
Oh yeah, great.
Really?
But I think that's good. You can take good picture, good place.
No. I hope that it works.
Yeah, today.
Yeah, that's nice as well.
Yeah.
Ich finde das richtig gut, oder?
Maybe you can go on there to check it.
We're ready with the drone.
Yeah.
Das würde ich bei Menschen sehen. Ich glaube, das fällt mir am allerbesten. Aber bitte mal, das wäre schon wie das Englisch und die Palme da hinten stehen.
That what's mean in English? I don't know. I don't understand.
I don't think.
Yeah. But I don't get Germany too. But I was bought the language of German book. I was bought that for memorizing the German language.
Really?
Yeah, really. I was bought that.
I would, for example, I think English learner.
You want to learn English?
I agree, that's good. I'm now studying English in Pare, Surabaya. For 3 months, I study now English.
No English.
Yeah, I study English language.
Und wann wäre das in 4 Monaten?
In 3 months.
Yeah,
Wow.
Wo hat er das gelernt?
I come from Aceh to Pare, Surabaya to study English.
Okay.
Yeah, for go around, for go to many country.
But you speak, that's very impressive.
Yeah,
Very good.
you understand my speaking?
Yeah, of
Yes,
course.
thank you.
Das wäre in 4 Monaten.
But really, I like study German language. I was bought that book. Yeah, the language of German book.
So, but you only speak English there.
English. But
No, when you study, you only speak English
Yeah.
the whole day.
yeah, whole day.
Also wenn, als es gelandet, hat er den ganzen Tag nur Englisch gesprochen. Und das ist dann aber was anderes. Wenn du 2 Stunden Englisch machst und sprichst dann Deutsch weiter, dann ist das,
Yeah, day and night. If I don't speak English, then I get punished from teacher because this is the rule.
really,
Yeah, the rule in the school. Must speak English day and night. Without sleep. Without go to take a bath. Many all place in English. No Indonesian.
that's
This
cool.
is for him.
And it's hard to do. Und wenn Indonesisch kocht,
Yeah, great. I understand that. That action, I understand. But me now, as a teacher, teach the student English. I am teacher now. Teach the student to study English.
Was meint er damit?
so studying to
Teach.
work, no, to work in
Yeah.
a tourist place? Or,
Yeah.
Yeah. So you
Sometimes-
want to start here, to work here on Bali?
Firstly, this is for exercise.
This is for
Yes,
exercise.
this is for exercise, and
Okay.
I will use to any country, any place. Because
Okay.
in Sabang there is tourist place too. There are many Chinese people in my hometown.
Okay.
Yeah, so they use English.
So there are a lot of mosques, I think, or?
Yeah, great.
And as a tourist, can you go inside a mosque?
Yeah,
Really?
really. Yeah,
No problem.
no problem.
Okay. Because in Germany there are mosques as well,
Yeah,
but you can't go inside.
yeah,
If you're a Muslim, you can go inside, but if you're not Muslim, you can't go inside
there's
mosques.
in German.
Yeah, in German. So here it's no problem.
It's no problem.
Okay.
This is good for many people, any religion, it's no problem.
Okay.
I am Muslim. No,
Yeah, I know. That's why I ask you.
Yeah.
But I don't know, but I think so.
Yeah. How about you?
Christians.
Yeah, I feel nice friends with many all religion. I like friend all religion.
I don't believe in any God.
Yeah.
For me, every God is good.
This
Every
is-
God is
yeah.
the right one.
Great.
So for me, it doesn't matter if it's Christian or Muslim or Buddhist or Hinduist. For me, it doesn't matter.
Because this is in our brain and our heart.
Yep, that's true.
This is our feeling.
That's true.
Yeah, in our heart, how to think about the God. Yeah, okay? And it is how about our family, especially. It is telling about religion.
No, it's true. I think the older one, they are more enthusiastic
Yeah,
in religion
yeah,
as the younger one.
yeah.
So I think the younger one, they still believe, but they say, okay, your God for you is the right one,
Yeah.
but my God for me is the right one.
Yeah, great,
So
great.
choose whatever you want. And I think that's the best thing.
Yeah, great. Because this is about the God. This is just heart and brain to believe that.
Yeah.
We can get it from the other people. Now, this is for ourselves, from ourselves, to
Yeah.
believe the God. Especially in this place, I meet the many religions, Christian, Buddhist. You know, Buddhist. I get that from that.
From Asia,
Yeah.
mostly. Yeah.
Many religions. I get it here. I like to.
So you mean every religion, no?
Yeah.
I don't think that there are many more than Christian, Muslim,
Five is the big religion.
five
Yeah.
big religions. Yeah.
Christian, Catholic, Protestant, Buddhist, Islam, this Muslim.
Yep.
This is the big religion in the world. There much people who believe that religion. You will wait sunrise here?
No, we will
go
go
there.
because when it's too dark, I'm not sure
Yeah.
to go back
Yeah, really,
without a
because
broken
the
leg
danger.
or something like that.
Yeah, great. I see many tourists just now have broke his leg. I don't know why. Because
Really?
yeah, from the under just now
Okay.
broke his leg
Yeah.
before.
Is that nothing? How many times you already?
I am
Done a lot.
3 days in the Bali. 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah.
Now one.
You will take it under? Like in the movie.
Yeah. Exactly.
Like in the video of the drone.
Okay, man.
Yes.
It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm Azmi from Indonesia.
From Sumatra.
Yeah, from Sumatera.
Sabang.
Bye. Azmi. See you. Nice to
It
meet
was a
you.
pleasure for me.
Yeah, good. Good luck. I will meet you in your country, Germany.
Okay, for sure.
Yeah. See you. Alhamdulillah, dengan takdir yang maha kuasa tadi sempat bertemu dengan Miss Yet dan Miss Ana dari Jerman. Mungkin itu percakapan untuk hari ini dan exam selama di Bali. Ya, mudah-mudahan menjadi motivator saya sendiri, untuk motivasi bagi saya untuk terus mengembangkan bahasa Inggris, memajukan Aceh sendiri, dan untuk bisa keliling seluruh dunia. Inilah gambaran sunset dari puncak Pare. See you. Now I will be back to Surabaya city because now I'm studying English in Surabaya.
What?
Now I will be back to Surabaya city because now I'm studying English in Surabaya.
What?
Surabaya.
Okay.
Surabaya, this is the city.
Okay. See at the top of the south.
Oh yeah. If me, my hometown is near to the city. Take careful. This is natural place. Yeah. This is place natural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
It's natural. Yeah, the drone. Just from Germany people, Mr. Yen, he bring drone too.
Big picture for the
Yeah. Maybe I will meet you in next time, Mr. Rugo. Okay? See
Thank you.
Yeah,
See you.
thank you. See you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, bye.